Good morning, students. This is your MT moral teaching period. Student, today I am going to explain you story from the lesson 8, work is worship. In the previous video, we have already explained half part of chapter. Today we will continue the second part of the chapter. Okay, so let's start. When the winter season approached means to come near, arriving. The ant was comfortable and happy. She had already collected enough food for herself and her family. She could go into her ant hill and stay there for the whole winter season. But the mosquito had nothing to eat. Student, in the first part of the story, you have to learn that the ant was very hard working. She is doing work throughout the summer season. She worked day and night. For what? For collecting food for the winter season. But the mosquito was lazy. He didn't do any work. So when the winter season coming near, the ant was comfortable. The ant was relaxed and happy because he had already a lot of food for herself and her family also. She could go, so that is why she go into the ant hill and live there comfortably in the for the whole winter season. पूरे winter season के लिए she was comfortable. She goes to the ant hill, अपने घर गई and she relaxed there because she had a lot of food for her and family के लिए और अपने लिए she had a lot of food. But the mosquito had nothing. पर mosquito के पास कुछ भी नहीं था because of laziness. It was not possible for the mosquito to come out in the cold weather. There was so much cold. So it is very tough to come out in the winter season because there is a winter season. Winter season की वजह से बेटा बहुत इम्पॉसिबल था कि मॉस्किटो बाहर आके अपना फूड कलेक्ट करता. So the mosquito saw the ant going into her ant hill. He called the ant and said, "Dear friend, please help me. I and my family have nothing to eat." So when the mosquito saw that the ant was going into her ant hill, so he go and stop. Listen, please give me some food. I have nothing to eat food. Then how will my family and I will survive? उसने कहा कि मैं अपने कैसे प्लीज़ मेरी हेल्प कर दो, प्लीज़ हेल्प मी, सब कुछ खाना दे दो ताकि मैं अपने और अपनी फैमिली को खिला सकूं. द एंट सेड, "व्हाट कैन आई डू फॉर यू?" द एंट सेड, "व्हाट कैन आई डू फॉर यू? ड्यूरिंग समर्स यू डिड नथिंग एक्सेप्ट एनीथिंग योरसेल्फ." द एंट सेड, so the ant said, "What can I do? I can't do nothing for you because you are very lazy and during summers you didn't do any work. You every time singing and song and biting the human beings, but nothing to do for your survival and nothing. You have to collect the food for your family," the ant said to the mosquito. She said, "You should have worked hard for the winter season. No one can help you now. Even God help only those who help themselves." So student, the ant said to the mosquito, "I can't do your help because you have to do the work during summer for the winters. Winter में के लिए आपको मेहनत करनी चाहिए थी," she said. और now I am helpless. मैं help नहीं कर सकती. Even God helps only those who help themselves. This is the quotation. God only help those person who are hard working. भगवान भी उनकी मदद करता है जो अपने लिए खुद वर्क करते हैं. So children, always remember nothing in the world can be achieved without hard work. So student, remember one thing, without any hard work you can't achieve anything. Your studies are not going good, your marks, you will never get good marks. So if you want to achieve good position, so you have to work hard. Okay, success does not come at once, you have to work hard for a long time to achieve success. So success never come if you don't do the hard work, और फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम यू हैव अ हार्ड वर्क, देन यू गेट द सक्सेस. ये नहीं कि आपने बस एक दिन मेहनत करी एंड देन यू गेट सक्सेस. आपको सक्सेस के लिए पूरा साल, पूरा ईयर वर्क करना पड़ता है, पूरा ईयर पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, देन यू गेट द फुल मार्क्स. ओके, देन यू अचीव टू गेट बाय एफर्ट. If you work hard and try again and again, you will certainly succeed. If you work hard again and again, sometimes you work hard but you not get the success, so don't worry for that. Again and again you have to work hard. So if you work hard and try again and again, you will certainly succeed. So student, if you work patiently, do hard work, then you get the better result. All you need is the determination. Determination, DETERMINATION. Determination means firm decision, firm commitment to achieve something. You can say this is the promise to achieve your goal. Whatever you want become in future, you have to do a hard work for that. You should make your best effort for getting success. Again, the writer said कि you should make your best for getting success. Work is worship. You have write the quotation every time, work is worship. So work is worship. It means if you do hard work, success comes to you. Success does not differentiate between rich and poor. Student, if we say there are only rich person can get the success, no. Even poor person also get the success. If they do hard work. If you are unsuccessful, maybe it is because you did not make your best effort. Sometimes you thought you do a hard work but you can't get the success. So something is missing in your hard work. That is why you not get the success. So again you have to do the hard work with full enthusiasm. So go ahead and try your best. So student, do the hard work and then you will get the success at last. बेटा चैप्टर में यही बताया गया है कि आप रिच और पुअर, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई डिफरेंशिएट होता है कि रिच के पास सक्सेस आएगी, पुअर के पास, जो भी कोई भी पर्सन जितनी भी मेहनत करेगा उसको सक्सेस एट लास्ट ही गेट द सक्सेस. ओके, सो दिस इज द चैप्टर. यू हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर एंड learn the hard words. Okay, then you have to do the exercises.